3, 2, 1. All right. I got my battery powered gun today. And, oh shoot, it wasn't on. I have a laser on it. And I have a scope coming in. Come on, John. Don't you want to play? Oh, got him.
I'm not kidding, I can't find Isaiah. What?
I can't see crap with that sound.
Jeremiah, hold it. What's the limits? What's the limits? Field in y'all's house? Okay. I think he's out of ammo.
Shoot.
Hey, stop it. I'm getting double teamed. Hold up. Why am I in a bad position? I say, oh.
That hurt? I was aiming for your legs. You told me not to aim for your face. You told me not to aim for your face. You told me not to aim for your face. Hey.
Mine? Side yard.
Where at?
Head that way first.
Where's Isaiah?
Where's Isaiah? Over there.
Where's the pistol?
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Take you on real quick. Here, time out for me. I gotta unfog.
I'll shoot you in the foot.
Hey, we try playing the game.
We ain't. He showed me where the gun is for his sake.
Bro, you hit me right here.
Go.
That's what I said, stop aiming for my crotch.
Keep on moving.
Ah. I hate
Stop,
these.
I'm gonna shoot you, all right?
I hate these. Ah. I don't like your gun.
Why?
Because one of the lasers.
Oh, and he said it's better, by the way. Thanks.
What?
I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm going.
All right, 3.
Hey, you can't shoot this close.
Go ahead. Show me.
Put it on safety first.
It is on safety, look.
Let me see.
Show me where it is.
I saw you. I heard it switch.
And you can't shoot if I don't have these on.
Yeah, I can. I'll just aim well. Where at?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
I'm between that thing.
It's in the freaking vents of the bricks.
Oh, something's in here.
You seriously don't see the black thing in the bricks?
No, what are you talking about?
Right there in the bricks of my house.
Okay, yeah, I see. All right, I'm giving 5 seconds. 5.
No, I want 15.
I'm giving you 5.
10.
3, 2, 1.
I hate this.
What? He lied. He knows I didn't mean that pistol. All right, John. Stop playing games. Where's the pistol? Not the Uzi.
The black one? It's in the bush. Do you not remember?
Oh yeah. My bad. Who's retarded now? Standing there, gun down.
I'm gonna hide back here. I don't even know if this camera or GoPro's recording or not.
Blank. Fill in the blank. My gun's down, my hand's out. You got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. You don't want to team up. Hey, I'm giving you a choice. 10 seconds, you fill in the blank, deal or no deal. 10, 9.
I didn't hear you. This boy's screaming. Wait, hold up.
They just took off whenever I said 0.
I can't really breathe with this mask.
Boundary's that driveway right there. Come on. Get over here before I shoot. Hey, who did that? Isaiah? Don't play games.
We're not double teaming.
Bro, he was running away from me. I shot directly at him. All right, listen. It's freaking jammed. Hey, who just shot?
What? What? Yeah, he's the one that shot.
All right, listen. It's off safety.
Off safety?
Yep. This is off safety and it's cocked.
Car.
Full auto, both of you. Huh? All right, take it off. 20 seconds to get on the other side of this driveway, or I'm full auto on both of you in the butt. This is on safety. We ain't double team. I will full auto him in the booty too. Ready? 20, 19, 18. No, I can't. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second grace period. Go.
Still in the car.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put them on. Put them on.
Give me a sec. I'm trying to breathe.
Breathe. Where'd this little boy go? Oh, I know he ain't in the ditch. If his little self went in the ditch, he's dead. Because then I really can full auto him. Without any cars or house being around. Please come here, Isaiah. Please be in the ditch. 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 Dang it. We can use pistols.
Okay.
But you have to stay on camera. Both of you, that you give up. All right.
Here, take it.
They have forfeited.
Because I hate that gun, and so does Isaiah. It's the only full auto gun that shoots straight.
Okay, anyways, they forfeited, which means I win. Because they're fucking
This game.
babies about this gun.
You want a gun?
You get shot by the gun right here, 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 twice in a row.
Dude, you shot me. Once you shot your first bullet went. Dang, you still have a lot of power out here. That was like 100
Dude,
feet.
I know you're all the way over there. I just did from right here. You said,
The camera.
if you want to stay tuned with the latest updates, latest videos, go down, hit the subscribe button, and like this video. Thank you, and peace out.